Hi, my name is Naomi Boyer. I'm the Director of Credentialing Products at Education Design Lab, an education nonprofit that co-designs education toward the future of work. We're in the process of building an intentional education roadmap that leads to more equitable and visible futures, creating a learner revolution. Yes, there is a learner revolution underway, and the lab identified this last year, long before knowing a pandemic was on the horizon that would further disrupt and catapult changes in the learning landscape, creating the need for models that empower learners with better connections directly to employment opportunities. The demand for rapid credentials that are industry aligned, leading to economic mobility, have increased drastically. At the lab, we believe that the skills and competencies achieved are a valuable currency for the learner-earner in the marketplace. Making both technical and 21st century skills visible and transparent further bridges the distance between education and the workplace. Visible, or VSBL, is both a platform and a movement. As a movement, the emergent learn and work ecosystem requires digitally accessible accomplishments that can be seen in the marketplace, which is why digital micro-credentials are so powerful. They make acquired skills visible. VSBL Visible is also the lab's platform that deploys a library of 8 21st century skills, digital micro-credentials representing the soft skills in high demand by employers. In the Visible platform, we have housed online modules to support each of the digital credentials with the demonstrable sub-competencies and include a consistent course structure supporting our learning philosophy and cycle of learn, practice, contribute, assess, and reflect. Previous deployment of our content involved an online, freely available toolkit from our organization website. Our driving need in the creation of Visible was a way to share content, be able to maintain and update that content, provide plug-and-play, ready-made solutions for the 21st century skills, competency delivery, and be able to track usage and outcomes data. The MagicBox technology that is under the Visible hood provided the lab with the necessary tools to accomplish these goals. Visible went live in January 2020, and the timing was critical to our learnings. The COVID crisis has accelerated the need for rapid credentialing and worker skilling. Institutions and employers need content that is easy to implement and operationalize. We began our pilots in the spring and are continuing into the fall with universities, colleges, alternative providers, and community groups. Ultimately, our badges will be shared on learner records, resumes, and LinkedIn profiles, providing digital data showcasing the mastered competencies of individuals that can lead to employment. The lab also directly delivered the #BeResilient badge free to the public with support from MagicBox in response to the COVID crisis. One thing is for sure, individuals, organizations, and our society will require resilience to weather and conquer the consequences of the pandemic. We've learned so much as part of the process and are grateful for our partners' input. We will showcase the Visible platform built on the MagicBox technology and the courses in the webinar referenced in the email. Register now. I look forward to connecting with you, learning from you, and answering questions that you might have. I hope you can join us.